At Judkins Construction, we don't just remodel, we reimagine. This recent kitchen renovation is a perfect example. We upgraded the heart of the home with custom cabinetry, all new lighting, and luxury countertops, tailored to the homeowner's style and daily routine. Our design team works one-on-one with every client, helping turn inspiration into a functional, beautiful design, all within the existing space. And we didn't stop at the kitchen. We installed new flooring throughout the home, tying every room together, and transformed the master bath with spa-like finishes and modern amenities. From concept to completion, Judkins Construction brings luxury living to life, one dream home at a time. This isn't just a renovation, it's a brand new kitchen designed, built, and brought to life by Judkins Construction. Judkins Construction, building more than homes, we're crafting your legacy. Call us today for a free estimate at 352-251-7200.